It's inevitable that cars will start leaking some oil as they age. The gaskets in the oil pan will give, or the filter gasket will give for whatever reason. You'll start seeing oil stains on your driveway sooner or later. These are interlocking bricks, they're made of cement, and as you can see, it's ugly. I was out just burning a few weeds in between the stones the other day, and I decided to, well, not the other day, this morning, I decided to, well, hey, maybe we can burn off the oil. I gave it a go, and well, here, let me show you. Pretty cool. It's a plain old propane torch. Thanks for joining.